Good morning, y'all. It's Friday, I believe May 16th. I'm up and I'm ready to go to the gym. It's full body day, so I'm excited. I have me my Celsius. This is the flavor of the day. Let's open her up. Right. Let me put y'all onto this one too. Anyways, I am going to work later, like at 11:30 around there. I'll be out at 6. And yeah, let's see what this Friday brings. Hey y'all, it's currently 9:30. I just got out of the gym. A good workout. I was sweating, like I literally got a 6-pack from that workout. Anyways, I'm gonna go home now. I want to make some breakfast, something protein-ish. I don't know what I'm craving really, but I'm gonna figure it out, and then I'm gonna start getting ready for work. I have about 2 hours till I have to go in. So it's been a productive morning so far. Hey y'all, I'm back home. I'm gonna get started on breakfast. I'm making these protein waffles. They're very yum. I got them from Aldi's and I've been hooked on them. I'm just gonna do one waffle. I have 2 eggs. I'm gonna do the 2 egg whites with some turkey bacon. And then I'm gonna have this yogurt. So yeah, I'm trying to get my protein in. And then I have my meal prep ready for lunch. And then dinner, it's either between Mexican and like pho. So it could go either way. How much turkey bacon I'm using. I'm gonna put it in the microwave to defrost, and then I cook it on the pan with my egg. I also like to put my waffle in the microwave to defrost a little bit, but I also cook it on the pan for the extra toastiness. It's currently 10:46. I'm rushing because I want to leave my house at like 11:10 and my shift starts at 11:30. So yeah, all I need to do is braid my hair, do my skincare really fast, and pack up my lunch. So it shouldn't take that long, I'm hoping. But let's see. I'm so excited for after work. I get out at around 6:15, but I'm meeting up with my man and we're gonna go eat at like this Thai place that has boba and everything. And I've never ate there before. Like I've gotten some spring rolls and the boba, but I'm really excited to try out the food because it looks good on pictures. So I'm hoping it lives up to its expectations. Braiding my hair is just a separate arm workout for real. I need this braid to last me the whole day, so it better look its best the whole day. Put some oil in my ends because no one wants crusty dual hair. Duh. Okay, I'm gonna rush my skincare. Let's see if I can do it. Time 10:49. Y'all know they're on it's my favorite. It's rough and it's so per time is 10:53. Gonna pack up my lunch, get in my car, and I'll see y'all later whenever that is. Hey y'all, it's currently 3:12. I am on my lunch break. I am going to Dunkin' to get me some coffee, and then my coworkers also ordered some stuff, so I'm gonna get that for them. Work has been going good, going swift, not too bad. And yeah, I got my meal prep in my lunch box. I'll heat it up, so I'm gonna eat that in a sec once I get my coffee. And yeah, I'm gonna share with y'all what I get at Dunkin'. This is my friend's mobile order. I don't know, she says she calls it a Snicker drink. I'll give y'all the recipe. A large cold brew with cold foam, 3 caramel, 2 mocha, 2 hazelnut, 4 liquid cane, 3 cream and cold foam. Anyways, this is my other friend's drink, just a regular matcha. And then this is mine. I just get a small iced cappuccino with caramel and an extra shot. It's looking good. I've been coming to this new Dunkin' because the last one does me so fucking dirty. Them bitches are rude. And they're consistent. I think this is my 3rd time coming here this week. Same great taste. I was starting to beef with the other ones. I don't know what's going on over there, but we like what they doing over here. Anyways, I'll be out at 6:15 to go meet up with my man. We're gonna have dinner together and we're gonna go to Whole Foods and walk around and return a package. Restaurant we ordered spring rolls as an appetizer. Can I eat this with my hands? I can eat this with my hands, right? Yeah?
You're supposed to, yeah.
Perfect. We got the peanut sauce.
Yeah, we can dig it out of steak.
I used to get the shrimp ones from here. What's your rating?
That's pretty good.
Yeah?
I'll give it a solid 10 out of 10.
I got mango milk boba. with a pretty straw. This is really good. I got it with crystal boba. I wish you liked mango. Or you want allergic or whatever.
Oh, allergic, yeah. You say it like it's a preference. It'll swell up like a balloon.
It's a mentality for real. If you tell yourself you're not gonna swell up, you're not gonna swell up.
Yeah, you're right there. Go ahead and take a sip.
Feel so at home. Mickey Mouse is playing in the background. Motherfucker. Good morning, y'all. It's currently Saturday, May 17th. I woke up at 6:30. I'm currently getting ready for work. My shift is at 8:45, but I'm going to stop by for some coffee beforehand. And yeah, it's currently 7:34, so I'm just getting ready. I still got to do my hair. I got to do my skincare. Just the basic stuff, make myself look presentable, you know. Hey y'all, it's 8:29 on my way to work. Got my brown sugar shaken espresso, extra pump of brown sugar. I'm going after work to get a new phone. This one's running out of storage because I'm filming too much. And I was literally in the middle of doing my get ready with me when that shit just stopped recording. I was gagged. All right, y'all, I will update you guys when I'm on my way to get a new phone after work around 1 to 2 p.m. Okay, y'all, this is the fit. Today I'm gonna be trying this Red Bull protein strawberries and cream situation. So let's see, give it a good shake. I'm so excited to go get this new phone. Maybe it enhances my quality. Damn, okay. This is actually good. Doesn't feel like there's a lot of sugar. Does it say total sugar is only 9 grams? Not bad. Digestible. So yeah, let's head to the mall. It's currently 3, almost 4, I think. I'm trying to look for the time. Oh, 3:50. So excited. Me and my phone had a great time together. Take off the screen protector. New phone is this?
Oh, we're done.
We're gonna go get boba after this. or yeah. Hey vlog. Okay, so I got like, what did I get? Oh, it's a Vietnamese coffee with just salted cream cheese foam. What did you get?
I got the Dubai chocolate monster.
Yep. Boba. Well, this is a boba, so we're switching it up. Oh, and then we got a potato cheese dog. I'll let you take the first bite. Okay. What do I like that? I don't know where the black part is supposed to come in. Like, I taste matcha, I taste cheese, chocolate. Alright, let's skip the talking.
Oh yeah.
I need some sort of sauce. We're actually recording on this phone because my phone wouldn't finish transferring stuff from my old phone. Like, it was taking a while. So they're like, oh, just so you guys aren't waiting like here for half an hour, you guys can go walk around, we'll hold your phone. And yeah. Hey vlog, on the new phone. We just left the store, ended up buying a dress from this one place. I'll be wearing it later for a dinner that I'm going with my friends. And yeah, this is the new quality. What do we think? Wow, you even see my red undertone. It's really giving. Hey y'all, I'm getting ready. It's currently like 7:10 around there. I just got out the shower. I'm gonna do my hair. I'm gonna do like a half up, half down situation. So we're gonna need to put hair products in and do that. I'm gonna start by putting some of this in. I'm gonna be watching How I Met Your Mother, fave. Okay, this is the final look. A little bit too much blush, but I think it'll be fine. Let's see. I'm gonna put on my outfit now.
Hey vlog.
Hey vlog.
Hi vlog. I'm getting the triple duper.
Okay, which one?
I don't know. I want this, but I don't want these.
Okay,
But
makes
I don't know
sense.
what can
You can do
I
chicken
Okay.
fingers.
Okay, I'll probably do
That's
that.
what I told her. Yeah.
Yeah, how
I'm
much
getting
Chipotle?
me some house salad with some ranch.
Okay, period.
And then steak, broccoli, and mashed potatoes.
Yo.
And maybe a side of corn.
Yeah.
Okay, period. Let me take one. I'm doing the big smasher burger and some fries.
Hey vlog. Last time you saw me, we were working out on the treadmill. I got a scar.
Oh, that bitch infected. No, just kidding. Don't play with him. You can't even see that shit for real. I'm gonna edit this out so they won't even know what I'm
Exactly.
talking
Like, give me a BBL, give me like.
Now we just ordered. I'm lit.
I'm tipsy.
Y'all, we are at Wawa right now.
At Wawa. Guys, I got a
Hola, Dylan.
Cool. What did it say? What name is saying?
Dylan.
Okay, Dylan.
Dylan.
Period.
Yeah.
Lily, what are you getting?
I think I'm gonna get Gatorade. Keep myself hydrated in the process.
Oh, you're right.
Chaser, what chaser?
I'm gonna get a big one just in case I take too many.
Exactly. Fuck, no, I need to get one. Eat.
That one too.
We got some.
Okay, Kool-Aid. Con Protein Max. Okay, period. What you get?
Y'all like sleep. I'm from water. I love me some.
You sleep. I might regret not having a snack later, so I'm gonna get chocolate covered Pretz. Let's see. I guess some of these. Hey y'all, I'm awake, getting ready for my day. It's 3:59 p.m. Last night I might have gotten too cray. Fell asleep with my makeup on, same clothes, everything. So today was just a day of recovery, really. Sometimes those days are needed. So yeah, that day was today. I was like in bed the whole time, like napping in between, like doing laundry as well. So yeah, I'm usually a productive queen, so I don't feel bad about it, you know. You gotta be productive. And when it's time to rest, it's time to rest. I am gonna go out. I'm just gonna go to my man's house, and I'm just gonna be napping and resting over there like I was here. But we're gonna get some dinner together because Mama needs some soup. So we're gonna get some curry. I love me a good curry. Tomorrow school starts. It's like I was looking forward to it, but now that it's here, it's like, damn, gotta log in for real. So, but I'm excited to, you know, get that ball rolling. Because I woke up with like, I was washing my face and like I felt some texture here and it was just like odd. That's why it's important to keep up with the skin routine, y'all, and do not sleep with makeup. But I'm feeling much better now. I've been trying to stay hydrated. But I know the soup is gonna help me because all I've had to eat today are little cookies. So. Good morning, y'all. It's Monday. I think
I know what you gonna do next.
I think the 19th. It's a new week. I start school today, and I'm currently on my way to the gym. It's 6:59. But yeah, got me a good Celsius to start my day. Yeah. So yeah, thanks for coming on a new weekend vlog with me. I hope y'all enjoyed. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.